review of the UIBI. I made that pronunciation. This is a portable power pack for your car in case you need to jump start it and or you need to air up your tires, or I don't know. This has a lot of cool features, including, but not limited to, a flashlight, a way to charge your USB devices. This can also air up basketballs and bike tires, so it's pretty versatile and it's super compact. So just holding it, I think it weighs less than my little dog here. My dog weighs like 7.5 pounds. This thing feels like it weighs like 4, maybe 3, I don't know. As you can turn it on, if you hold down the power button, LED light will turn on. Now when you press this again, it'll start flashing SOS, which is really cool. You get a constant flash the second time you hit it one more time, and the light goes off. Share one of the most practical things about this pump. When you're going to use it, obviously you want it to work, but when you turn this on, this is a very bright California day, okay? There's not a cloud in sight. I'm behind a white car, so there comes a lot of ambient light, right? You can still see the display clearly. That is super important, because the last thing you want is not be able to see anything. So, all right, so it's gonna be set. I think I'm at 36 PSI is the goal. I'm at 35 right now because I'll let some air out. By the way, when you want to clamp this, I'll let some more air out by showing you. All right, so you just put that on. Just clamp it down like that, and that should secure it. All right, now that we've done that, let's see what the PSI is set. So we should be at 36 is the goal. We're at 34 right now. So I'm gonna click and hold for 2 seconds. Oops, I turned on the light. Haha, rookie mistake. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to turn off this blinking light because there we go. Let me hit OK again. Let's hold it down. Nice. So put me at 37 because I bet the moment I take this off and remove it, I'll lose a little bit of air pressure. Yep. So cool. And now we're up to 36 PSI on this thing. So that's how to use the air pump part. Again, like I explained earlier, I have a brand new battery in my Infinity. Those things are built like a tank. They're good for like 84 months. So I can't test this thing on jump start power, but I just want to show you guys everything else that this thing does and how practical it is to use in everyday applications. And hopefully that helps you with deciding if this is the one you want to buy.
Put it on bicycle mode or motorcycle so that it can pump a lot faster. So then basketball pump is very slow. So it kind of speeding up the process just a little bit. It works. I'm going to try these out. Let you guys know how this works.
Okay, the tire was in 28. I mean, it's just slowly going up. Looks like it's working normally. It's a bit noisy, but the important thing is it works. Okay, the light is working. Now we will test is that is exactly the PSI. Let's see. Accurate enough. Yep. It works.
Okay, I've already plugged it in, or am fixing to plug it in. Wanted to show I have no power in my car. It's in the on position. Excuse the video. I do this alone, so you plug them correctly, and you can now hear I do have some power in my car. This is turned on. And gadget's working. That's it. I did all of this in the video in 1 minute. Now I will be carrying this with me because my car was not fixed the right way and something keeps draining the battery. Definitely worth time to buy.
Okay, let's press. So we do. I can't get it though.
You need me to hold that plastic?
No, I got it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, can you hold these?